The long wait is over. Finally, dumating na rin ang Infinix na tablet. Ang dami sa inyo nagtatanong sa akin dati about kailan darating ang Infinix na tablet. The long wait is over. The Infinix XPAD has already been released. Now, this one comes in two variants. Meron siyang Wi-Fi edition and meron siyang LTE edition, which di-discuss natin later. This one is being powered by the Helio G99, a big 11-incher na FHD display. Meron din siyang 90Hz of screen refresh rate, and meron din siyang full-lux na AI voice assistance. All of that for less than 7,500 pesos. Ayos, di ba? Pag-usapan natin. So guys, itong Infinix na XPAD comes in two variants. It comes with a 428 gigs of storage of Wi-Fi only, priced at 7,499. And there's the higher variant, 8256, na may 4G LTE support. Comes with a price point of 9,499. Ipopost natin mga official link on the description box below. So do check the links on the description kasi yun ang mga official para iwas tayo ng scam. Now, I really love tong Titan Gold na color niya. It's a two-tone color here. Matte finish dito. This one is a little bit more of a may texture na finish, and we have your camera module over here na mukhang may pagka-iPad. And sa ilalim, there's two more speakers over here, so making 4 speakers. Plus, meron pa siyang audio jack dito, which is a bonus. So makita mo ang kanyang SIM tray. It supports isang 4G SIM plus isang micro SD na expansion, which is definitely delightful para sa ating mga consumers. Meron din siyang symmetrical na white border dito sa kanyang screen, which is quite different from the others na puro black. Maiba naman siya konti ngayon, so it's white. And by the way, this one comes with a pre-installed na screen protector, so pwede mo na siyang gamitin agad-agad. So hindi naman sobrang kabigatan tong tablet nito. This is just 496 grams, which is around mga kalahating kilo. It's easy to carry around. Pwede mo ilagay sa inyong backpack, sa inyong mga sling bag, and you'll be able to whip it out anytime you want. So be it traveling or studying in school, this is probably one of your perfect companion. Now, like I said, this one is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G99. And alam naman natin, kayang-kaya na mag-handle ng multitasking. And batawin mo siya any task na gusto mo ibigay, kayang-kaya naman i-handle. And nakakuha siya ng near 400,000 points dito sa AnTuTu benchmark. And by far, this is the breakdown score. Ito ang score naman niya dito sa Wide Extreme, 97% kanyang stability. Ito ang nakuha ko sa Geekbench para kanyang CPU benchmarking and para sa kanyang GPU benchmark. Ito ang nakuha natin sa thermal throttling test, and it throttled to 83% na kanyang best performance. Now, this tablet comes with a big battery, 7,000 mAh of battery, and it comes together with the 18 watts na charging brick. Now, the charging speed is probably not the fastest in the industry, and this one can charge you at around mga 2.5 hours for a full charge. But on the contrary, itong tablet ito has a very good na battery life. I was able to last nearly 2 days using this normally, walang heavy usage. Mostly on Wi-Fi naman ako and doing some browsing, doing some video conferencing. Walang problema ang 2 days. And nung sinalang ko sa PC Mart na battery stress test, near 16.5 hours ang binigay sa akin dito, which is definitely makunat. Yun ang masasabi ko talaga sa inyo. So if you're a travel person, this is definitely a good body for you. Plus, magdala ka na rin ng power bank at the same time. You can consider mga power bank like this from Ugreen, 10,000 mAh na Slim series, which I'll post on the link on the description box below. Kasi mahirap na maubusan ng battery while you're on the go. Now, one of the good things dito sa kanya is that this one is equipped with AI capability. This comes with full-lux AI, and pwede ka mag-voice command dito sa kanya. Just tell it anything, pwede niyang gawin para sa'yo. Bigyan ko kayo ng example. Hi, Folax. Where is Alice Guo?
Sorry, but I don't have any information about Alice's whereabouts. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Hi, Folax. Take selfies.
Okay, I'm going to turn on the selfie mode.
Pwede. Matalino. Now, one thing to love about this tablet is that it has a 11-inch na FHD Plus na IPS LCD display. It also has 90Hz of screen refresh rate. Ang kanyang pinaka-max brightness is at around mga 440 nits, which probably might be a little bit difficult to use while you're under the direct sunlight. But kung nasa shaded area ka or nasa indoor ka, definitely no problem itong screen na ito. Bright and punchy. Now, ang kanyang screen is protected by glass finish, aluminum frames, and aluminum back case. Now, if you're browsing your favorite content dito sa Facebook, sa social media, I'm I'm pretty sure it's so easy, sobrang smooth naman ang kanyang browsing experience dito, nasa kanyang high refresh rate. And if you're consuming naman mga videos dito, and by the way, this one has a level 1 na wideband security level, so you can watch HD din naman dito sa kanyang tablet. And watching YouTube dito, I would say na, I was really surprised. I was expecting na hindi siya kasing ganda ng mga AMOLED display, but it can almost give you a AMOLED-like experience na sharp and quite good naman ang kanyang color resolution dito sa tablet na ito. And to my surprise, I was enjoying watching high-res video dito sa tablet na ito. Now guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo, nakapagkapit ako ng SIM card dito. I used a Globe na nano SIM inside, and nung nag-speed test tayo dito, I was able to get a roughly mga 50 to 60 Mbps dito on a 4G connectivity, which is pretty normal naman dito sa loob ng aking studio. And I would say na I was quite satisfied while I'm outdoors browsing using this tablet. Hindi ko kailangan magdala ng mga Wi-Fi hotspot or mga pocket Wi-Fi. You can use this one directly just by inserting a SIM card, which is definitely a big plus point para sa akin and para sa mga students out there. Now, talk about gaming naman dito. I was surprised din na meron siyang X-Boost mode dito sa loob. And I was able to play Call of Duty Mobile, Marvel Future Fight, and si Farlight 84. To my surprise, si Call of Duty Mobile, sobrang smooth ang graphics niya. I was really blown away dito sa kanya. Big screen, fast ang kanyang response sa kanyang controls, and it was really immersive. And to my surprise, yung sounds niya is really good. Malakas ang kanyang sounds. It's probably one of the better experience na meron ko on this tablet. Pagdating naman sa Marvel Future Fight, sinagad ko naman kanyang graphical settings and it was able to game seamlessly. Wala kang ma-feel na lags, walang frame drops. It was really good. Farlight 84, nung sinagad ko sa highest graphical settings, hirap itong tablet na ito. I have to lower down yung graphical settings to balance. Doon ko na-feel na medyo mas better ang gameplay and it gave me a smoother experience overall. The controls is good, responsive ang aking screen, and the sound is really great. And hindi ko naman masyado na-feel uminit itong tablet ito on the back. And I got around mga 43 degrees Celsius, by the way. So since itong tablet ito has 4 speakers, gusto ko lang mapakinggan nyo kung gaano kalakas itong tablet na ito. Would it satisfy you as a consumer? And it satisfy me as a tech reviewer? Pakinggan natin. Honestly, malakas ang kanyang sound. It's probably one of the best selling point nitong tablet ito. Ang lakas ng kanyang sound. Good job. Now guys, pag-usapan na natin quickly ang kanyang camera dito sa likod. This one has a 8MP na main camera sensor which can record you up to 2K and 30 FPS. And ang kanyang front-facing camera is also the same, 8MP, which can also record you up to 2K and 30 FPS. Now I know na tablets are not supposed to be used to take photos outdoors, but just for the sake of pakita ko sa inyo yung performance nitong camera niya, I was able to take some outdoor shots. And to my surprise, okay naman some of these outdoor shots na nakuha ko. It's a little bit saturated, I would say, yes. But the details are there. Probably not the best details na makukuha mo, but I would say na it's good enough to let you get some really decent shot and pwede mo i-forward sa mga classmate mo, sa teacher mo, or sa as presentation, pwede siya. And pansin ko, the greens is a little bit saturated, but not too saturated. Medyo more of the natural side siya na a little bit more enhanced. And nung dinala ko naman siya sa indoors, okay naman siya and was able to get me some nice shots. And nung tinry ko naman kanyang zooming capability, this is a 1-time zoom and this is a 2-time zoom. Now, after 2-time zooming, makita mo still good and readable pa rin mga text dito sa menu board. And nung tinry ko naman kanyang selfie camera on the outdoor, I would say na decent. Not the best, but what's nice dito sa is preserve mga details sa aking mukha. And when you bring it indoors, medyo soft na siya, which hindi naman siya that bad. I would say na medyo nabawasan ng quality ng kanyang shots. Now, if you're trying to take a video using the front-facing camera while walking, I would say medyo shaky siya, but quality is not so bad. But probably who would take a video while walking? And if you're taking a video while walking using the rear camera naman, it's, well, shaky din, pero the resolution is not so bad. So right now, we'll try to take a video right here in my studio using tong front-facing camera ni Infinix XPAD. Let's see kung kamusta kanyang quality and by just using yung kanyang default microphone. Here goes. So guys, right now, I'm using the Infinix XPAD to take this video. I'm using 2K and 30 FPS na resolution. And I would say na kita yung mga creators dito sa aking mukha. Which is probably one thing na magustuhan mo dito sa kanyang camera is that it preserves the details ng iyong mukha. Now guys, ano masasabi nyo sa front-facing camera ni Infinix XPAD? Let me know in the comments. So guys, for just less than 7,500 pesos ang kanyang Wi-Fi edition and for just less than 9,500 para sa kanyang LTE edition, how good is this Infinix XPAD? Now based on my honest opinion, itong tablet ito can really perform. I would definitely get the 4G edition dahil it has a bigger storage, bigger memory, and it can support SIM card. Kasi na-test ko dito so far si Globe and si Smart, wala ka magiging problema dito sa kanyang connectivity. Smooth na smooth, and while you're outdoor, ang bilis naman niya makasagap ng signal. It's definitely a plus para sa mga student and young professional. Wala kang talagang maging problema dito. Kasi sa ibang brands, if you're looking sa mga may LTE na edition na may SIM card capability, you would expect it to be expensive. But not dito sa Infinix XPAD dahil it was able to keep the price low and giving you LTE connectivity that is very, very important for you and me. Now, would I recommend tong Infinix XPAD? Definitely, I'll give you a big yes kasi it's definitely sulit para sa kanyang price. And I would say, meron siyang LTE is definitely the biggest selling point para sa akin. Plus, yung kanyang 4 speakers dito is definitely loud. And ang kanyang 4 na speakers dito is definitely loud. You'll enjoy while watching movies or playing games or just music tripping. Panalong-panalo to while you're on the go. And ang kanyang battery life, by the way, is quite makunat. So what are you waiting for, guys? If you're looking for a Infinix na XPAD, link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. Or kung meron kayong mga friends na naghahanap ng tablet, don't forget to share this video. And a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.